think surviving college was very impactful.
It was very fun, it was very creative, and it was very engaging. Like, I felt like I couldn't look away.
It was one of the most lively, entertaining, educational experiences I've ever seen.
It wasn't a boring lecture or a boring presentation. Like, I never stopped paying attention.
I learned that if I could take responsibility for the bad things that happen in my life, I could be responsible for the good things that happen in my life.
Let me get in here!
Engagement really makes them be focused, and then with the music.
Yo, 6 months ago, you was a trusted pal. Now he's dissing my mom and my girl. 2 lucky gals. Bruno be on the phone with his mom like, hey mom, I made valedictorian. Do you love me now?
Don't just survive the college experience. You have to design your college experience.
Think about the podcast, red flag, green flag.
Most likely to happen in your first week. 2, change your major, fall in love, make a friend, or someone offers you alcohol.
I think the alcohol awareness, that one is key, especially I think it was the jelly bean activity.
You go to the bathroom, you leave your drink unattended for 5 minutes, you come back, you grab your red cup, you start drinking. Red flag or green flag? Okay, a lot of you guys said red flag. What you guys recognize is in real life, this person's student got drugs. If you took your eyes away, it's a throwaway. Everyone say it with me. If you took your eyes away, it's a what?
The podcast was really fun.
You got slam a buzzer if you want to answer.
I liked feeling like involved, and it was also like a good way to talk about like serious topics like consent.
You can't really consent when you're under influence, so even if the person says yes, you can't take it as yes.
And I would say I really appreciated the way in which the topics such as DEI Title IX came up. It didn't feel forced, it felt really organic, and your guys' skit specifically made it so connected in the way in which they received information, so we really appreciated it.
I ain't trying to put pressure. I ain't trying to stress you. I'm just saying Kim got a twin sister. And they both top of the class and don't miss you. Opportunity to connect with real winners.
Procrastination is the assassination of your destination. So yeah, I'm about to procrastinate.
And I'm watching you. And you're here trying to make the best of your first year.